When we direct the force like this, we are directing the thoughts. The thoughts become the form which you want to see. So who is the director now? Who is producing and directing this entire process? You. You are now the ultimate director and creator of what's happening inside. And this leads to self-mastery. When we are able to direct the inner forces, which are actually the stronger thought patterns, you eventually, in our daily lives, will be able to master the thought process. When you master the thought processes, you master your destiny. After directing the thoughts into this visualization, into creative visualization, and who is directing it? It's logic. So logic and creativity hand in hand, allowing you to attain a greater potential of mastery. Who is the creator of this lotus and the stems? You. What is creating it? It's your thoughts. The thoughts are not seen. You don't see the regular thoughts, but you have an extraordinary phenomenon happening inside. And this phenomenon is not by chance. You are the creator of this extraordinary phenomenon. So do you realize how powerful you are? And do you realize that many of the things that's happening now is a manifestation of some other thought patterns which have been conditioned by society, by so-called culture, genetics, family, and the words that has been used. It has been cultured in such a state that it is creating those things. If you are creating the lotus and the blossoming lotus and the trident and the green light, you are also in some way unconsciously are creating many other manifestations in the system. So the whole journey of yoga is to have that breakthrough. Who is creating this Amrit? Who is cooling it down? It's your thoughts. Who is directing the thoughts? You. If you can create Amrit and these beautiful explosions and absorbed by the brain cells, you are doing all of this. Therefore, at a point in your life, utilize these powers that you are generating in a conscious way and redirect your body. Reproduce and redirect and recreate a new body, a new system of behavior and patterns, which then replace all other cells, all other systems. A new system takes over, and you are moving towards that journey which you want, which you feel, which you desire, and you know. But it's just that it has not been revealed. You have not been told of this potential, of this scope, of this reachability, that you can reach this highest level this higher level. I don't want to use the word highest because there's no such thing as highest in self-development. It's higher and higher and higher because you're moving towards infinity.